Tired of manually copying meeting details or losing track of discussions? Unlock OneNote's powerful features to instantly create organized, searchable digital notes for every meeting, effortlessly tracking decisions and actions. We'll cover two powerful methods: one-click import for scheduled meetings and manual setup with templates for impromptu sessions. You'll master organized digital notes. All right, let's dive in. Starting with our first method for scheduled meetings, we're going to look at Outlook. When you have a meeting already on your calendar, there's no need to copy and paste everything. Instead, just open that meeting invitation in your Outlook calendar. You'll see a handy little button there labeled Meeting Notes. Give that a click, and OneNote will automatically prepare to grab all the important details. This is such a time saver. Once Outlook sends the details, seamlessly pull them into OneNote to populate your page. Switch over to your OneNote desktop application. On the Home tab, you'll find a button called Meeting Details. Click that, and a list of your recent or upcoming meetings will appear. Select the meeting you just prepped from Outlook, and boom, OneNote pulls in the subject, date, agenda, and all the participants automatically. It's a fantastic way to ensure accuracy right from the start, a best practice often highlighted in official Microsoft guides for efficient note-taking. Now for impromptu meetings, or if you're using OneNote on a Mac or through the web browser, let's switch to manual setup. First, ensure your OneNote application is open and ready to go. Within OneNote, the first step in organizing your manual notes is choosing the right notebook and section. Think about where these notes will be most useful later. Maybe it's a work meetings notebook, or perhaps a specific client's section. Navigate to that spot. Staying consistent with your filing here makes a huge difference in finding things quickly down the line. With your desired location selected, let's add a fresh page for today's meeting notes. On the right side of your screen, you'll see an Add Page button. Go ahead and click that. This gives you a clean slate, ready for your thoughts. Finally, to structure your notes professionally and efficiently, let's leverage OneNote's built-in page templates. Head over to the Insert tab, then click on Page Templates. A sidebar will appear. Browse to the Business category, and you'll find pre-made structures like simple meeting notes. Selecting one of these instantly gives you headings for attendees, agenda, discussion points, and action items. Using templates like this is a widely recommended best practice by productivity experts for consistent and comprehensive note-taking. And there you have it. Two straightforward ways to transform your meeting notes from chaotic scribbles to organized, searchable digital records in OneNote. This will genuinely change how you track decisions and actions. Give it a try.